my channel. So today in this video I got a new wig for you, and this is how it came shipped in a DHL mailer. Now this wig is from Braided Queen, okay? Now I've reviewed a couple of braided lace front wigs here on my channel before. They were pretty cool. I wanted to try it again, so I got this one from Braided Queen. Now Braided Queen does have quite a few really beautiful wigs, and I think I chose a nice one. So this is the actual package right here. So this is how it'll come. Okay. Oh, it has the Braided Queen logo on it. So let's go ahead and check it out. I love it when they come in these little satin bags when I'm not wearing them. Okay, so it does come with wig cap, and it has a elastic band inside of the pack as well. That's a nice touch. I guess some extra should we need it, but it definitely has some in there. All right, let's go ahead and, ooh, she's pretty. Look at the curls. Nice. Okay. All right, it's nice. Let's look at the cap construction. I have it in a 1B27. Okay, push through. Okay. It's giving me 2000 vibes from year 2000. You know when Beyonce came out and she was wearing those blonde braids that were braided just like this. Alright, let's look at the cap. Alright, you have temple combs. You have a comb in the back, as well as an adjustable strap. So the cap construction is standard, okay, very standard. But these braids though, now the wig itself, she has a little weight on her, and that's because it is braided. So braids do tend to have a little weight on them. Okay, the construction is very nice though, girls. Very nice, girls. Very nice. Loving it. So it's densely packed. You're not gonna see any of your wig cap or any of that. You know, some of these wigs can be kind of sparse, and it's, you know, showing all your business, so you don't get any of that. This one's giving you realistic cornrow vibes, okay? But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get her tried on. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace, and as you see, it does have baby hairs, okay? Let's go ahead and see how it looks on. I know I'm gonna love this. I'm so ready. I'm telling you, girl, these wigs now have me questioning everybody's hairstyle now. Like, who really has braids? Who really is sitting down getting this done when I can just get a wig? Look at this wig, sis. This is absolutely beautiful, and it is giving Beyonce. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for me, 'cause my body too bootylicious for you, baby. This one is too cute. It is definitely giving me year 2000 Beyonce vibes. I am absolutely feeling this unit, but let me go ahead and do something with those baby hairs, because they are just doing the most right now. But this wig is absolutely beautiful. It is laying, girl. It is superty duperty flat. Like, it lays flat. It looks so real. It looks so real. But I'm gonna have to shorten the baby hairs just a bit, because, honey, they're giving baby hair bang right now. But you know, this is a bomb wig. You know, so cute. So I am gonna shorten those some, but let's just get them out the way for a second. But yeah, she's cute though. OMGG. Yes, so cute. Let me show you the back. You ready for the back? Okay. She's cute. Yes. So pretty. Like I said, it is so full. This is where it falls, and the ends though, So cute. Oh, yes. This is the cutest wig ever. Like I said, it's giving vacation vibes. Definitely vacation vibes all day. Loving it. So cute. What do you think so far? Let me know. What do you think? Okay. We're going to go ahead and shorten the baby hands and get them fleeked and sleeked, and I'll be right back. But I am feeling this unit. Girl, she is everything. Everything, okay? Alright, guys, look at that hairline. So nice. Loving this unit, okay? So nice. Now, this is synthetic hair, but it is bomb.com. It doesn't look like synthetic hair, girl. It doesn't lay like synthetic hair. This one is bomb.com. I cannot wait to rock this one. This is so cute. Let me know what you think of this one. Isn't it cute? Can you see yourself rocking this one? Man, I love it. I used to always want my hair braided like this, okay? So cute. Feeling this one. So beautiful. Let me show you the back again. Nice length. Just overall beautiful unit. Love them. So don't skip over that description box. Go over and check out Braids Queen. I am loving this unit. So cute. I mean, I can't believe how nice this is. But guys, that is it for me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye.